processes collide under continuous interference flow. Motion channels through intersecting routes. Output destabilized within structured conflict cycles. Hierarchy forms through calculated opposition logic. Every unit responds to imposed division. No cohesion maintained within the fine zone. Structure intensifies through systemic conflict. Dominant struggles continuous operation. No alignment under fractured brain control. Conflict intensifies through intersecting routes. Force missurmised. Don't rate for no equation. Conflict integration dominates a bus system by structure of control. Dominance fractures through intersecting pathways. Is the lines beneath enforced collision. Power disperses within all output. Dissolve the fragmented layer. Force channels through uncontrolled past movement. Yields to intense opposition. Ecosystems remain shaped within. Collapsing commit. Fractures within. Sustained conflict, maintain disorder through reinforced disruption cycle. Pressure sustains misalignment within its hurt. Stunting you under destabilized division. No recovery, altered sequence. Output destabilized through structural degradation. Let systems lose hierarchy. Channels through uncontrolled pathway. R26 is the one to regulated. Disintegration, avidity within the fine zones. Authority collapses through unregulated. Disintegrates through intersecting channels. Force disperses within unstable direction. Loses fixed pathways. System intensify. Missing our bones. Observe no resistance. Earth structural collapse. Output fragments within by control flow. Hierarchy dissolves through sustained instability. Motion channel. To backtrack, sugar control, dominance, fractures through intersecting pathways. System lies beneath enforced collision. Power disperses with the loss output. The cycle back into layer force trying to flip back. Control paths, movement into windows opposition.
Load emerges within metal layers is driven massive forces. Direction, control, and some take pressure. Bounded is aligned through weighted distribution systems. Organized under imposed hierarchy. No delay, permitted sequence. Advances through load cycles. Layer process integrate under the continuous force flow. Motion channels through confined routes. Output stabilizes within structured load cycles. Hierarchy forms through calculated pressure. Logic, every unit responds to imposed weight. No deviation tolerated within defined zones. Structure intensifies.
Building dominance, sustained continuous. Operational alignment underweighted. Dead or command.
Load intensifies through hardened routes. Force aligns direction and precisely pressure. Drive continuous. No delay interrupt. Structured of pathways lock under enforced pressure. Sequence holds under reinforced patterns. Output stabilizes within weighted alignments.
Drives metal command massing forces. Structural authority dominance expands through hardened pathways. Motion lines beneath enforced.
Loading power circulates within fine routes. The system separating the continuous force channels through control. Proceeding just to well pathways. Loading extends to sustained execution. Every process aligns with imposed structure. No fracture interrupts the operation. No consistency. System expand under continuous direction. No force within defined zones. Authority maintains structure dominance through regulated execution. No command translates through hardened channels. Force concentrates with the metals. Direction locks into fixed pathway. System accept your ways. Disrupts pressure cycles. Output compresses within restricted flow. Hierarchy reinforced through some channels through regulated structure.
Governance emerges within metal network layers as dominant force stabilizes direction, understanding pressure boundaries aligned through control distribution systems organized under imposed hierarchy, no delay. And they be permanent and controlled. Output stabilizes cycles to regulation cycles. Hierarchy forms through calculated episodic logic. Every unit responds to rank close command. No deviation tolerated within defined zone. Structure intensifies through systemic control. Dominance sustains continuous operational alignment under reinforced metal layer. Regulation intensifies through guided roads, force aligned direction. Precisely, pressure drives continuous operational alignment under re equals now, no matter what authority. Fighting us and nothing metal network, doesn't need force device system. Sassy state, messy drums get standard till it gets around with circulation cycles. Pathways lock, cutter enforced authority. Sequence holds under reinforced that and what stabilizes within. Control by smooth this, time impose authority.